Hi, I'm Christine.
And I'm Bea, and welcome to Ask the Designer Questions. What's the most durable fabric for upholstery if the client have kids or pets?
Well, number one is something na water resistant like umbrella. Or, well, number two is a microfiber, which is scratch resistant at the same time very comfy and stylish.
Statement wall or statement furniture?
Statement wall.
Statement furniture or statement lighting?
Statement light.
Wall paint or wall panel?
Oh, it's hard. Well, wall panels.
So, ma'am, can you give us styling tips to transform your space?
Well, number one, have fun. Kasi this is the portion na talaga na, something that you will enjoy. Kasi you want to surround yourself, your home or your office with the, the things or the decorations or the collections that will make you happy and inspired. And then second is stick to your budget. Just a budget, a working budget, and stick to it. At the end of the day, you don't want to overspend. So just a working budget, and then I don't know, the design team will work on it to stick on that working budget.
So, what's the biggest challenge in keeping a project on schedule and how do you manage it?
Well, it's a tough question actually. Until now, we're still figuring it out. I mean, we tried a lot of project management apps or tools or system. There's no perfect system for me. We, as a team, we really want to strive uh, at least close to perfection. But I think right now, as of today, the key to success actually in keeping it all together is knowing what's critical, and also you have to create a project plan on how to achieve that deadline and how to manage um, the deliverables on time. So right now we're using a project management app called Trello. It's really, really helpful because we really want to maintain the visibility of all the project details, even the pictures, plans, and the paper trail of each scope. So that's really helpful. We also use a very old school, handwritten project management notebooks or organizers or something like that. Just keeping everything in place. And so with that, as a team, we can make it naman na parang um, it's a collaboration approach between the let's say the team who's working on the plans, the perspective, and also the people behind the site supervision and yun.
So, Ma'am Christine, I have three materials right here. So, I'm gonna give you these materials one by one, and you're gonna suggest where can we put this. Okay. So, first one we have the gold metal trims.
Okay. So for this one, well, one of my favorite treatment or application for this gold trim that um, normally we have laminate finish, and then this is the termination or the edges, where we can where we can put the edges here on the side. So it's like a little extra detail that we apply, but most of the time the client appreciate it because we tend to have a treatment for those kinds of edges, and sometimes it's eyesore talaga. And then sometimes then we use gold trims in between panels or laminate and laminate, and then instead of just leaving it like an empty groove or empty line or space, we add this very decorative gold treatments in between laminate.
So next one, we have the mosaic tiles.
So for this type of mosaic tiles, like this one is like cut into pieces, but it's like from a one tile or one piece of a tile. Well, for this one, we can use it in kitchen backsplash or even accent wall for the shower. And this is an interesting material then. So it's really a glossy or mirrorized mosaic tiles. Well, for me, I suggest that we can use this material sa maybe bedroom accent or side table accent or in headboard, because it's really, really glamorous and it's really shiny and pretty. So, good.
And then the last one, we have the wood veneer panels po.
Okay. It's really luxurious talaga to use a wood veneer because it's made of thin layer of natural wood, and it's really interesting kasi yung mga patterns niya like this one that you cannot achieve using, by using laminates or even hand painted wood design treatment on the panel. So for me, we can use the wood veneer in the wood wall cladding, or sometimes we on a particular project like a residential project, there's an eyesore of a powder room door in front of the dining area. I know there's some guests that will be bothered by that layout, but we cannot change the structure anymore. So what we did, well, the design team, we proposed na lang, what if we use a wood veneer wall cladding on the whole wall of the dining area, so that we can hide the door ng powder room. So it's like a secret door that leads you to the powder room. But when it's closed with the wood veneer, the door's closed, it's like parang ano lang siya, wood cladding or wall cladding all throughout the dining area.
So guys, that's a lot of idea right there. So take note of it. Okay.